Good morning. The ongoing battle over birthright citizenship has taken a dramatic turn as the Supreme Court temporarily halts President Donald Trump's executive order aimed at dismantling this fundamental principle, a principle that has been enshrined in the 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution for over 150 years. This is not just a debate about migration or citizenship. At its core, it is a question about the very soul of the United States. The Birthright Citizenship law grants automatic citizenship to individuals born on American soil. It is a defining element of what makes someone an American. This principle is so ingrained that every schoolchild learns that one becomes an American simply by being born in the United States, regardless of their parents' status. President Trump, however, has attempted to overturn this long-standing law. He argues that the birthright policy has led to wide-ranging abuses, particularly by those he and his administration label as illegal migrants who allegedly use what they call anchor babies to secure residency. Despite the administration's claims, experts point out that a child born in America does not automatically guarantee their parents a right to stay. In a noteworthy decision, the conservative majority Supreme Court blocked, albeit temporarily, Trump's executive order. While they have not yet ruled definitively on the constitutional question, this interim decision delivers a harsh setback to Trump's agenda. His administration had prepared for years, even signing a decree on the first day of his second term, aiming to invalidate the birthright citizenship rule. This judicial block highlights a profoundly ideological battle, a conflict between two visions of America, one as a land grounded in constitutional principles and another as an ethnically defined nation. The Trump administration and many of its Republican allies seem to pursue the latter. They push for a uniform cultural identity, which they argue will prevent a demographic shift that could disrupt their political dominance. This issue is part of a larger conservative cultural fight, bringing Trump's core supporters into the debate over who should count as a real American. Nonetheless, changing the Constitution would require an improbable two-thirds majority in Congress, making the prospect of success appear distant. The Supreme Court's actions bring this core topic from the margins to the mainstream. By discussing it at the highest judicial level, the debate gains legitimacy and exposure, something Trump and his allies aim for. The administration's narrative stokes national attention and shifts political discourse, ensuring that what once seemed far-fetched now becomes a serious proposition. As the United States marks its 250th year, the country grapples anew with the identity questions of its founding. The close decision from the Supreme Court signals that this debate over America's identity is far from over. If this story matters to you, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss the German perspective. Now tell me, what's your take? Drop it in the comments.